Modern food lacks the soul of traditional cuisine. But why does it feel so empty and unsatisfying? Let's explore the hidden reasons behind this phenomenon. It starts with the way we produce and consume food. The journey from farm to table has changed dramatically. We'll uncover the layers of this complex issue. Join us as we delve into the heart of modern food. Discover why it feels like something is missing, and how we can bring back the soul to our plates. The story begins with industrial agriculture, where efficiency and scale reign supreme. But at what cost to our food soul? Industrial farming prioritizes quantity over quality. Crops are genetically modified for higher yields. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are heavily used. This depletes soil nutrients and biodiversity, resulting in less flavorful, nutrient-poor produce. Processing further strips food of its natural qualities. Preservatives, additives, and artificial flavors are added. These enhance shelf life, but not nutritional value. Packaging and transportation also play a role. Food travels long distances, losing freshness and flavor. Supermarkets prioritize convenience and low prices. This often means sacrificing quality and taste. Fast food culture exacerbates the problem. Quick, cheap meals become the norm. Traditional cooking skills are lost. People rely more on ready-made and processed foods. This disconnects us from the origins of our food. We lose the cultural and emotional connection. Food becomes a mere commodity, not a source of joy. The soul of food is eroded by these practices. But there are signs of a growing movement. People are seeking more authentic, soulful food. Farm-to-table initiatives are gaining traction. Local, organic, and sustainable farming is on the rise. These methods preserve the soul of food. They focus on flavor, nutrition, and community. But the transition is not without challenges. Higher costs and limited availability are barriers. Education and awareness are key to change. We must relearn the value of real, soulful food. The journey to restore the soul of food begins here. But there's a deeper issue at play. One that goes beyond production and consumption. It's about our relationship with food and nature. A connection that has been severed over time. Let's dive deeper into this hidden systemic issue. A dramatic moment, a farmer's struggle, choosing between profit and preserving the land. The weight of this decision affects us all. It's a microcosm of the larger food system. This moment highlights the soul's erosion. But it also shows the path to restoration. The choice is ours to make. Let's explore the deeper, systemic issues and how we can bring back the soul to our food. The journey continues with a new perspective. We must reconnect with the earth and each other. The soul of food is within our reach. But there's a twist: the role of technology. Can it help or hinder the soul of food? Let's explore the unexpected impact. Technology can enhance food production and access, but it can also create new challenges. The balance is delicate and complex. We must navigate this new landscape carefully to ensure technology serves the soul of food. The journey to restore the soul continues, but the deeper systemic issues remain. We must address the root causes and find sustainable solutions for the future. The deeper issue lies in our food system. It's a web of interconnected problems, from industrial farming to corporate control. These factors erode the soul of food. Corporate interests prioritize profit over quality. This leads to standardized, soulless products. Marketing creates a false sense of quality and health. Consumers are often misled by these claims. The disconnect between production and consumption grows. We lose touch with the origins and stories of our food. This erodes the cultural and emotional connection. The soul of food is lost in this system. But there are solutions on the horizon. Regenerative agriculture is gaining traction. It focuses on soil health and biodiversity. Community-supported agriculture is growing. These models reconnect us with our food. They preserve the soul by emphasizing quality and connection. Education and awareness are crucial. We must learn to value real, soulful food. The journey to restore the soul of food is ongoing. But the path is clear and within reach. We must work together to create change. The soul of food is a collective responsibility. It starts with small, meaningful actions. Choosing local, organic, and sustainable options. Supporting farmers and artisans who value quality. Cooking and sharing meals with loved ones. These actions bring the soul back to our food and create a more sustainable, soulful food system. The journey is ongoing, but the path is clear. We must continue to advocate and act. The soul of food is within our reach. Together, we can bring it back to our plates. The future of food is in our hands. Let's create a more soulful, sustainable world. In conclusion, the soul of food is not lost. It's within our reach and our responsibility. By choosing quality, connection, and sustainability, we can restore the soul to our food and create a more meaningful, sustainable future. The journey is ongoing, but the path is clear. We must continue to advocate and act. The soul of food is within our reach. Together we can bring it back to our plates. The future of food is in our hands. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Let's create a more soulful, sustainable world.